What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth and welcome to the channel. As you can see by the title, it's another lit video. In this video, we're gonna be going over long beard versus short beard. So a lot of y'all might be wondering, a lot of y'all probably trying to see or trying to decide, what do you want to rock? Do you want to rock a short beard, or do you want to let your beard grow out and just rock it long like a Rick Ross, or you know what I'm saying, super long beard? So that's what we're gonna be talking about in this video. I'm gonna be giving you the pros and cons of each, and let me know in the comment section if you agree with me or if you got anything to add to either side, and or if you got any questions or you want to see any more of these like versus videos. Let me know in the comment section. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it, man. But before we do that though, stop what y'all doing, go ahead and hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, help me get to 14,000 subs. But enough talking, let's jump right into it. Okay, first we're gonna go over the long beard. I'm gonna go over the long beard pros, then I'm gonna go over the short beard pros, then I'm gonna go over the cons of each one. So first, starting off with the long beard. Some of the pros to having a longer beard is so what I had. So I wrote down like a list. I made like a list. Matter of fact, I'll just show you real quick. So I wrote down the list. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So I did one side short, one side long. So for on the list, what I got written down for the pros of the long side is I got it written down more maintenance but less upkeep. So they kind of contradict itself, but let me explain why I said this. So I say it's more maintenance because it's longer, so you gonna have to like definitely. It's hard to say more maintenance than short beard though, because you gotta maintain both of them. It's just more maintenance because it's actually gonna show, because your beard longer, so it's gonna show how you comb it. It's gonna show the type of conditioner you use, if you moisturizing your beard, if you're not. It's gonna show more. Not necessarily saying that you gotta do more, because you really gotta do the both for short and long if you want yours to grow into a longer beard. But I put less upkeep is because like, it's less upkeep because, okay, for example, when I got my beard short, right now it's kind of medium. I'm in the process of growing it out. But when I got it super short, it's a lot of upkeep because I got to get a haircut every week or two because my hair grows so fast. If I don't get a shape up, it's going to start showing. I'm going to start looking real rough. Like I look rough right now. I haven't had a haircut in like a week and a half just because my beard growing so much. I got my hair growing up here. Feel me? Like if you see close, like I'm at a distance, but if I come up close, let me get rid of the pen. You can see I got hair growing up here. It just don't look that neat because my beard is so short, if that makes sense. But when I got my beard long, it's harder to see. For one, it's harder to see that because my beard is long, so all this stuff is filled in. And it's just less upkeep when it comes to that part. So hopefully that makes sense. More maintenance but less upkeep. So that's one of the pros, is once it's long, you really ain't gotta worry too much about like extra hair growing. And you can go weeks without getting a haircut, it still looks smooth because all you gotta do is just brush and comb. You see what I'm saying? So more maintenance but less upkeep, I got that as a pro. Another thing is, now this is all about perspective, however you want to look at it, is a longer beard gonna make you look more older. It's gonna make you look more mature, you know what I'm saying? Like if you go out in public and you haven't seen people, let's say you haven't seen people for like a year or some months, whatever, you see them with a longer beard, they're gonna be like, bro, I didn't even recognize you, or you know what I'm saying? And it's not a bad thing because some people want to look older, some people don't want to look old, so they wear their beard shorter. But for me personally, I feel like it give you an older, more mature look. And it's just kind of logic too though. Like if you see somebody with a full beard, like a full beard that's pretty big, you're gonna assume that they kind of older, maybe in their 30s or higher, you know what I'm saying? So that could be a pro or con, really by perspective, depending on how you want to look at it, you know what I'm saying? The next pro is it's not as itchy because your beard is long, so it's not. So a lot of times the itch can come from different things. It can come from you need to clean your beard, or it can come from new hair that's growing in. So with your beard being long, that means it's full, that means it's not really too much hair that's growing in. It's gonna cause it to itch, you see what I'm saying? Or irritate different parts of your skin that haven't came in yet. So I would say it's less itchy, so that's definitely a pro. You don't gotta worry about it scratching throughout the day or scratching your gains out. You ain't gotta worry about none of that because pretty much once it's long, it can't grow longer, but you know what I'm saying, most of your hair already don't came in, so it's not gonna be irritating you as much, so less itchy. This another personal opinion for me. I say it's better with clothes. Like I feel like a longer beard just make the outfits look smoother. That's just my personal opinion though. Now I like rocking a short beard for sure, but I feel like when it comes to like outfits, and not like work fits, but outfits, like if you're trying to style or dress them, I feel like a longer beard just look better. That's just me personally with clothes. And that's it for the pros for a long beard. So the pros of a short beard, I got written down: less maintenance but more upkeep. Less maintenance because you don't gotta worry about combing or picking. All you really gotta do, depending on how short your beard is brushing, really. Beard oil and brush is really all you really have to worry about doing. But it's more upkeep because, like I said, since my beard is shorter, as you see, I got a lot of hair growing in. So you're gonna have a lot of hair growing in, especially when your hair starts growing faster. You're gonna have a lot of hair growing in, so you probably gonna need to get lineups or like a haircut or whatever kind of frequently with a shorter beard, because your hair gonna be more noticeable, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So I got that, but it's less maintenance. So it's kind of like it contradicts itself, but you get it though. It's just all up to you as well as how you want to rock it. Another thing I got written on the pros for a short beard is it make you look younger, give you a younger, more reckless look. You feel me? Like, I wouldn't say like a playboy, but it's more younger because, you know what I'm saying, obviously it's kind of self-explanatory too though. Like, if you go see somebody and their beard not really full, but it's kind of maybe like trimmed or like down, you might assume that they in their 20s, they early 20s, mid to late 20s, you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna assume that they 40 or 50, because by then theoretically they would have like a full Viking beard. You see what I'm saying? So it give you that younger look, and plus your face, it shows your face more, so your face shape is more noticeable. So that can also indicate of a younger, versus having a full beard. When your face is covered up, you really ain't gonna be able to too much see. Another pro is it's easy for food. Like when you eat food, I'm gonna talk about this with a longer beard, but sometimes, a lot of times, depending on what food you get, you gotta watch out what it is, because a lot of times it shit get in your beard, especially if it's long. Like for example, I'm not gonna go too far on this, but like I went on a date, and me not knowing, I just wanted some Alfredo, you feel me, or some pasta. Got pasta, but my beard was long at the time, and I'm just thinking the whole time, like I'm like, I can't wait for this pasta. And when it come, I'm like, bro, this is like the worst meal to order on a date, because it's so much like pasta sauce and shit. Get all in your beard, crumbs in your beard. So with a shorter beard, you obviously don't gotta worry about that, because it's short and it's really not too much gonna get on your beard. And if it is, you're gonna feel it on your face. So that's another pros for it. So that's my pros for the long beard and short beard. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all wanna add anything to that, or if y'all agree with me, or y'all understand what I'm saying. If you got any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section. So the cons for a long beard, which is not much, is it make you look older, and you know what I'm saying, depending on how old you are. If you're younger, you might want to look older, but if you kind of in between or whatever, you don't want to look too old too fast or whatever. So I say, depending on how you want to rock it, shorter beard for make you just look younger, you know what I'm saying. Longer beard kind of make you look older. Another con for a longer beard is going to what I just was talking about, the food thing. You gotta watch out eating certain type of food, especially in public, because your beard will collect crumbs. It's a crumb collector for sure. Bread, pasta, terrible foods, because they're gonna get in your beard. So that's another con to it. Another con is just more maintenance, you know what I'm saying. You might have to pick, so the reason why I said more maintenance is because with a longer beard, you might have to invest into a pick if your beard get too long, or you might have to definitely invest into like a wider tooth comb. You know, you might want to start adding conditioner in rather than just beard oil. You definitely want to add beard, you definitely want to use beard oil, but now that your beard longer, you might want to add some conditioner to make it a little softer. You know what I'm saying? You might want to get into derma roller. So it's just more things that you might just want to do when your beard get longer versus when it's short. It's not really that many options to do. You really can only brush it and put oil on. You know what I'm saying? So I say that's another con, and that's really pretty much it though. I didn't really have too much cons for either one, but those are the ones I did have. For a short beard, the cons for a short beard is what cons do I really have? Other than, there's really no cons to a short beard. As far as, only thing is just the upkeep. Like, you gotta constantly get, I won't say constantly, but you gotta frequently get like lineups just to make sure that your hair not growing too high or too out of whack, you know. Another con is, it is more itchy, because when you trim your beard, what causes the itch is, like I said earlier, the hair growing in, the new hair growing in. So it is definitely more itchy. So that's another con, but beard oil definitely solve that. So if you are in the process, if you just cut your beard, or your beard, you just start your journey and you growing new hair and it's becoming itchy, just use beard oil. And whenever you get that itch, like, obviously just be smart about it. Don't grease your whole face up where you're looking crazy. But if you start itching, then your face could be telling you that it's dry. So just moisturize with some oil. And that's pretty much it, all I had, man. So that's it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all got something out of it. Hopefully this kind of help you out if you decided, dang, should I go ahead and let my beard grow out, or should I just keep it short? You know what I'm saying? Keep it trim. Hopefully y'all get something out of this video, man. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the like button so more people can see this video and get to my channel. But enough talking, man. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed one.